Hey guys, Dennis back with a brand new video. So today I'm going to show you how to install LED taillights on your camper. Alright, so here is the existing taillight, and we lost the taillight cover on this on our last camping trip. This is a really old camper. It's from '95, so this is closing in on about 30 years old. What I did is I just measured the width and the height of these, and I went on Amazon and I found a set of LED replacements that are the same exact size, and they're entirely sealed, so I don't have to worry about the cover popping off. Our first step is going to be to remove this old light fixture. Now if you notice here, we have 3 wires. We have a ground, and then one of the wires is for your running light, and the other one is for your turn signal and or brake light. And we just need to determine which wire is which, so it should be the same for the other side also. So let's get the other light off. We'll verify that our colors are the same, and we have the same 3 colors going to the light fixture. Let's see what we have on the inside. And it looks like we have brown instead of red. So that's no big deal. We just need to determine what is what here. All right, so we're gonna plug into the truck. All right, so now all you wanna do if you have a digital multimeter is you wanna put it on DC volt scale. Obviously the truck isn't running right now, so the voltage is gonna be a little low, but it should be with the truck running, you know, 12 to 13 volts. So that's telling me that white is my common, black is my running lights, and we'll go ahead, I'll put the left turn signal on now, and then we'll double check to make sure that the green is the left turn signal. I have the turn signal on, as you can see it blinking back and forth. So the wire that controls your turn signal filament inside the lamp is the same one as your brake lights. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our black to the white, that's our common. We're still on the DC volt scale. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the green here. See how it's flipping back and forth? So actually having an analog meter in this case would actually be better because you'd be able to see it going back and forth. So we know that the red is our left turn signal and brake light. Our white is our common, and then the green coming from the camper actually goes to the black. It's a little confusing, so the green goes to the black, and the black is the running lights. So all we need to do is match that up to the wiring on the new LED fixtures, and we should be good to go. All right, now typically your left light is the one that has the license plate holder on it. So this is the new light assembly here. The holes actually match up exactly on the new LED fixture. It does come with a wiring diagram. And if you look at their wiring diagram, black is the running light, white is negative, and red is brake and turn. So basically we have to match up the red to the red, the white to the white, and the black to the green. All right, so we're gonna get these cut, and our old light assembly is gone. Now, instead of using these connectors, I mean, obviously these connectors have lasted this camper a very long time, but these do fail. And if you use the incorrect size wires in these and you don't have the right color crimp connector here, you're gonna have issues. These are the waterproof butt splices. This is what a regular butt splice looks like. These ones actually have heat shrink tubing over them with some adhesive in here. So after you crimp your 2 wires in, you hit this with either a lighter or a heat gun, and it shrinks right up and it seals both ends. So with these butt splices, you don't want to strip off too much wire, just a little bit. And you want to make sure you use the right color butt splice. They have blue, red, and yellow. This is 14 gauge wire, so the red should work well with this. Okay, now before we heat shrink these, let's test out our light and make sure all of the functions are the same. So there's our running light. Let's put on our turn signal, and you can see the license plate light right here. That's pretty awesome. Our turn signal is good, and then I will test the brake light. Okay, as you can see, the brake light worked perfectly. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna drop the light. No, we're gonna shrink these butt splices on here. All right, so we're just gonna feed these wires into the inside here, and then we're just gonna run these stainless screws in. And then what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put a bead of silicone around it. We're gonna do the other side now. All right, guys, and as easy as that, we have new brake lights. I don't have to worry about these covers coming off because they're integrated into the light itself. So that wraps it up for today's video. Super simple to either swap out or repair your damaged light assemblies on your RV, camper, or even boat trailer. So thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, why not? Consider hitting that subscribe button. It helps me out, helps me bring you guys new content every single week. And I thank you again for watching. Until next time.